Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. My name is Sadi. This is my new YouTube channel about the stock market, and I am a beginner option trader. That is why I am not giving any suggestion and I will not give any advice on what you should buy or not. It because I'm still learning right now and trying to make my profit on my own strategy. Somewhat I am getting positive feedback on my strategy, but still I have to go so far. Hopefully my strategy works at least 80% every time, then I will share this strategy with you guys. But right now I am just only sharing my profit and loss for a while, but after a couple weeks I will share why I am buying and why not. If you want to know the strategy and what I am buying and not, please like and subscribe and hit the bell button to get an update, and please comment below. So let's move forward. What was the mistake I did? It all happened very quickly. I lost $600 from NIO yesterday. I couldn't make the video yesterday because I had work and I am a student in Canada. That's why I'm just doing both things, stock market and the part-time job, to cover my expenses and trying to cover the tuition fees also, because for this COVID-19 we are all struggling a lot, and I think I am struggling more than everyone because I am an international student. By the way, let's go. Though I knew that I could lose the money I have invested, but still I tried to take a dip. Why? It because I was trying to read the volume. You can see here it is almost 600 million. The volume is almost 600 million. But still it was falling dramatically. I don't know why. Maybe there was a reason, but I didn't know that. I was totally surprised. On the other hand, when I invested, it was over 135 million, which is more than the average volume. So on that I thought it could be a chance for me to get a good return, but I was totally wrong. So that was the reason I invested and lost all the $600. So what happened then? I bought 200 share, means 2 contract, which cost me $790, and it was in this price 51.63, and I was hoping to sell this contract when the price will go in 52, so like only 40 cents of profit I was thinking to make, but it fall dramatically. You can see here. Also, it was the last day of the contract. I got to be very careful. The moment I understand it was a big mistake for that day, I just closed the contract. That's how I lose $600 in one day. That is the lesson I got yesterday, which is never invested in hope. If you are not sure enough, then just ignore it and never buy with short-term analysis. At least your analysis should be strong enough to not lose the money you are investing. That is the lesson I learned yesterday. Though it was not my strategy, still I was trying a new strategy and wanted to have the dip. You know Warren Buffett's first and the second rules: never lose the money and never forget the rule number 1. I got a lesson, so I just wanted to share this thing with you guys to keep you guys an update. I just wanted to tell you guys, like, please do not invest on your hope. Try to analyze and make sure if you lose the money, then you can hold the pain. Yep, this is the stock market. You will not win all the time. Hope for a better return in the coming week with my strong analysis. Thank you for being with me. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.